Sana all. Sana all you wedding me. Okay, you wedding me. Come here in Philippines tomorrow. Wedding me tomorrow. Guys, give me like for this video. Gusto unta ako mo testingan ang bubog pero dili ko kaya umuwi na. First love never die. Your lips is strawberry color fruit. Uliro di kagwang say. Ganzo Velasquez, hello. This tattoo on your legs isn't allowing my daddies to say. Ambot. Uy! Matagal pa yung isang oras, besh. Bonjour. Good afternoon. How are you doing, beautiful lady? Can you please tell me where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Hello, Tisha. Hello, Akme. How are you? Thank you for coming. Can we chat on Messenger? Okay, let's chat. If it's only important, but if it's not, I'm sorry. I did not reply because I'm a busy person. I'm busy. I don't have time to charge to roll. Okay? I give time, of course, if it's important. It depends upon the situation of the moon under the sun covering the shore. Mr. Gustavo Gonzalez, hello, shout out. Isaias ba ito basahin? Isaias Matos, Uy, Brazil. Hello there in Brazil. Mega love shout out.